Hello folks, Dan here. So here's my cheat, or a bit of a hack that I use to give my plants the best start at this time of year. It's doomy and gloomy in November, so I cheat. I'll show you how. So in here I've got a little grow tent. Let's open it up and show you inside. There we go. And inside my grow tent you can see I've got some nice fat cauliflowers, and down here is where I start off my seedlings and cuttings. So I've got some heat mats down there, so all my seedlings go in there. And then what I do is, and here's the cheat, I give them 24 hours of sunlight for a few weeks. 24 hours. So growing this way might not seem environmentally friendly or cost effective, but if you look up here, you can see I've got lots of solar panels. So looking up, you can see I've got a wind turbine that's blasting away there in the wind. It literally turns for 90 days out of 100 here in Devon. Now the main benefit of this sort of method is that I have an excellent success rate with my cuttings, virtually all of them root. And more importantly, when I'm sowing seeds, my seeds like it very much in the warm area at the bottom. It's also humidity controlled. So if we look around the corner here, let's turn this around. I have a small humidifier. This also runs off of the batteries from my solar. It's dual purpose. It's great for germinating seedlings and cuttings, but I also use it for my mushrooms. So when I'm flushing my mushrooms, they like the humid air just as much as the seedlings do. So when I'm sowing seeds, my germination rate is close to 100%. So I get the best value from the seeds that I sow. They're expensive sometimes, seeds. We don't want to be buying seeds and having them fail. Now, of course, I do sow directly into the soil. It's my favourite way of planting. I like to plant in seed trays in the polytunnel. However, I also like a head start when it comes to spring. It's best to get a leg up and to get the plants strong, rooted and ready to go. So when springtime comes, we've already got plants that are growing and we get the best crop from them. We'll get a really, really decent crop. That was my head start hack. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like, subscribe and give a quick share. Have a lovely day, folks.